How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 65 El Camino done in Tuxedo Black. Super slick car. Got nice red pinstripe, custom, super nice solid car. Got a ton of upgrades in it. It's got all BMR suspension all the way around, tubular A-arms, uppers, lowers, all your sway bars. See all the grill, bumper's been re-chromed, original grill. Car's real slick, straight down the sides. It's got your Billet specialty wheels. It's got four-wheel disc. It's got the big brakes up front. Set's super tough looking. Just a good looking car. All the chrome on this car and the stainless is very, very nice. See, it looks like the rear bumper's been redone. All the taillight bells, housings are nice. All the trim around the top of the bed, real nice. Just a super cool car. It's got a 383 stroker. Got the air gap intake, the Holley dual feed, all the MSD ignition. Got the big tube headers and the 3-inch exhaust out the back. It's all power brakes. Very nicely detailed. Got your heavy duty radiator and everything in it. Jams are all nice. All the interior is very nice. Been updated with I Did It tilt column. I like the cloth seat with the fold down armrest. Real nice. All inside the bed is really nice. I mean, this is something you can just get in, cruise it, go to your shows. See it nice and clean, bottom of the tailgate and everything. It does look like it's a 4-speed, but it is actually an automatic. It's a Hurst automatic shifter. It's got 350 turbo trans shift kit. I tell you, this thing just pounds the ground too. Super cool car. You don't see many El Caminos. Thing just pounds the ground. Good sounding car. Tough car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.